Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the Uber Eats driver perks and discount. Now, to unlock higher earnings and improve experience as you level up with the Uber Eats Pro, you need first to earn more with great service, supporting you on and off on the road, and more ways to progress your way. All you're going to do is to go on to their Pro subscriptions. And now to unlock a specific perks and discounts, you can just simply keep your service quality high. Your status is based on four factors: acceptance rate, cancellation rate, satisfaction rating, and monthly points, wherein you can track your progress anytime in your profile or the Uber Eats Pro Hub. And you can also earn status and unlock rewards. Your stats determine your status, like for example, green, gold, platinum, or diamond. The higher you go, the more perks you get. Here are the every status which unlocks more rewards, like the green, gold, platinum, and diamond. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.